Good morning, student. Today I am going to explain how we could perform the formula in MS Excel. Okay. Now, first of all, here we see that this is the name column and the subject column, and this is the total column. Five students' names there and having their marks. So we have to calculate the total marks of each student. So we have three methods to calculate the total. Okay, to calculate the total, firstly we have to use the formulas by is equal to sign. So keep in mind that always use formula by using firstly is equal to sign, then click the cell address of each subjects. Simply here the cell address of English for Amit Kumar is 70 B3, then press plus, then Hindi C3 plus, then maths D3 plus, science E3 plus, and computer F3. So all these in the formula we have seen that all these numbers are not there. We have only here the cell address. So is equal to sign and then add the cell address for which you want to add the total, and this can also be seen in this formula bar where we see that all the cell addresses defined there. Now press enter, then we will get total numbers of Amit Kumar. So we have to firstly calculate the one students the total number, and then finally go to the lower end of this particular cell, and we will get a plus sign, D plus sign, and then simply drag it. We will find that all the total numbers are generated there for each students. All the totals are generated for the each students. It is very simple. Now another method, simply I just remove it, and the another method is that we have to put some formulas is equal to sum is the basic formula used to sum the particular addresses, cell addresses. Sum bracket, and then drag the cell address ranges, and give the cell address ranges by dragging the initial cell address, that is the B3, to the final cell address which you want to add, and then close, then close the bracket and press enter. You will also find the same result here, and if we just drag it from the lower end sides, then we will find all the results available for each student. Okay, this is the second method, which is also very easy. Simply now we will see the third method, which is very easy to find the total of anything, any numbers. Okay, simply select the cell on which you want to total, and then go to the home button, and here we have found a auto sum features. Auto sum feature is a feature in Excel which automatically select the numbers and gives the total amount. Okay, simply click here, then we will see here that the automatic formula is comes here, and we have to simply if the formula comes here, we have to simply press enter there, nothing else, simply press enter here. We will find here that the number is seen here, total number is seen here, and then we have to drag this to get all the students total numbers. So in this way we can calculate the total in Excel. We can calculate the total by using the sum in three ways that I have shown here. I hope that all of you understand very well. Thank you students very much.